Hello, I'm Leah from Lyftron, and today I want to talk about how Lyftron Snowflake real-time streaming and native bulk loading integration work together. Snowflake integration was taken very seriously in Lyftron in order to overcome the limitations of traditional ETL, ELT tools that stage flat files on a local disk before pushing it to Snowflake. Such solutions require extra disk space for data loading and adds additional delays to the data pipeline. Lyftron takes a unique approach to data loading into the Snowflake data warehouse by utilizing the new data streaming API available in Snowflake. Data is loaded from the data source, data transformations are applied on the fly as SQL expressions, and the transformed data is streamed directly to Snowflake. The data is loaded without any delays and without the need to manage any space for temporary files. Additionally, Lyftron may push down selected SQL transformation directly to data sources to reduce the amount of data that must be transferred. Snowflake customers can dramatically simplify and shorten their time to insight by utilizing Lyftron's native Snowflake migration and modernization solutions. Just log into Lyftron, select any data to transfer to Snowflake, and just schedule the pipeline. Setup should only take a few minutes, and you can use Lyftron's no-obligation 1-month free trial. For more information, you can always email us at hello@lyftron.com or call us at 855-LYFTRON.